Monday, 16th of November, 2025. Peachtree Road, Peachtree Street, whatever it is here in Buckhead community. We're going to come up here and turn right on La Vista. Take La Vista maybe all the way out. And then decide which way to go from there. I guess we'll head back. It's 11:25, 65 degrees going to 72. After this, I guess we'll head back to Arcade. Be an A&P right in there where that Kroger is, but not right where the Kroger is. It was up here a little bit further. Right here many years ago. Well, so A&P pulled out of Atlanta in 96, so that's almost 30 years ago they pulled out. Brookhaven. That's an interesting building there, isn't it? Going to use that one for our thumbnail. Turning right on North Driud Hills Road. Got to yield. We got cars coming out of that parking lot over there. Yeah, looking right into the sun. Now, going by going past Cross Keys High School. I guess Cross Keys is still a viable high school. Look at all this stuff. Uploading the Johnson Ferry video now. I think that's a 30-minute video, 25 at least. We're going to drop over in this right-hand lane. There's not anybody behind us. How about that? At Cross Keys High School coming up on the left, and I think this is Roxboro coming out, I think. No? Lennox Park Boulevard. Okay, well it connects to Roxboro over there. Doing construction on Cross Keys. I wonder where the kids are going to school. Yeah, Roxboro will come in on the right down here. That's right. from the 700s. Lennox Park, yeah, Roxborough will be right down here on the right. A lot of color here in Atlanta, a lot of hickory nuts. There's a raining of leaves. We're getting some leaves raining down. That's nice. We'll be coming up on Buford Highway right down here. Yeah, as soon as we cut it off, you'd know it'd come back and the light would go green. Buford Highway, Atlanta's to the right, Buford to the left. What's this? This is, oh yeah, Georgia 13, Georgia 42. Buford Highway take you all the way on up through Buford, up to Gainesville. I'm sure y'all are impressed with my brilliant deductive reasoning. Yeah, the Rusty Nail Restaurant used to be right down there on the right. With that big pistol out front of it. Big barbecue pistol. And this is crossing over the North Fork of Peachtree Creek. There used to be a big homeless encampment down underneath here. It seems like there was a fire under here not long ago. Am I right or wrong? Coming up, crossing over 85. Look at that, Children's Health Care. I had no idea that was there, or that other, whatever that other one is either. Arthur M. something. Coming up on the site of old Briarcliff High School. It'll be on the right. Is that it there? No, it's a little bit further up. I think. Briarcliff is up here on the right. We're coming up on Briarcliff Road. That runs from La Vista and then goes you know, through Atlanta through little 5 points and turns into Moreland Avenue. Yeah, there's old Briarcliff High. No, that's elementary. Is that the high school too? No, that wasn't. We want to get over to the right, and these cars are coming up fast on us on the right. Old Briarcliff High School is right here on the right. Right here on the right. Bunch of geese out there now. Why don't y'all come on? Let me get over. Leaves are raining down. That's nice. Look at that. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. go back to Arcade. Coming up on Toco Hill. Shopping center used to be a Kroger, A&P, and a Colonial. I think all three of them were in this shopping center. I worked at the A&P here from August 26th of 66 until the autumn of 69. Not sure what date I left. A&P closed up over here to the right and opened up over here to the left where that LA Fitness is now. Pot of Gold was there on the right. I had a bakery here on the right. Boy, I walked a blue million miles out in that parking lot toting groceries. It's a J. Crew now, huh? Or some kind of bike shop or something other. Okay, DeKalb County or somebody, all these taxes on gasoline needs to be fixing these roads. Dirt roads in South Georgia are smoother than this. What's wrong with you guys? You got too much money spending on putting it in your pocket. Booming politicians. Worthless. Worthless, I say. We had the camera cut off when we wanted to be recording. I don't know. Now down here on the left, this guy has got an interesting yard art display. Got some kind of marker there. He got all kind of crazy stuff out there. How many remember when North Driud Hills Road was 2 lane? Okay, crossing over Burnt Fork Creek, coming out of Tucker. Well, it says Spring Creek Road, but I think this is, well, you know, there's another fork down there of another creek. But that goes down to the old Decatur Waterworks. I can see that pond, that beaver pond down there. Turn up here, take you down to Medlock. I was trying to say McCoy, but that's over in Decatur. We'll take you down to Medlock Park. And it'll take you on over into Decatur. Into the city, Willoughby. got to decide what we're going to do. When we cross 29 down here, I think it turns into, I had it a while ago, I said it. What is it? I think this is the end of North Driud Hill. Valley Brook. It'll turn into Valley Brook. And go over to Ponce de Lynn. And we are going to turn left, and this will be a wrap. I look pretty healthy to be standing there on the corner asking for help or asking for money. Look right healthy to me. The street sign up here still says North Driud Hills Road. Maybe it's North Driud Hills until it gets to Stone Mountain Freeway down there. Okay, let's turn these off to be a wrap.